Hey y'all, it's your girl Makara Danielle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all some synthetic wig hairstyling tips. These are just things that I picked up on my own as I've been wearing synthetic wigs and just things that I think help in terms of styling and increasing longevity. I'm really just going to be walking y'all through how I'm going to be styling this wig. This is the Sensationnel Latisha and this is the color Flamboyage Mocha. The first tip that I want to introduce is using a blow dryer to heat style your synthetic wigs over using a flat iron or using a hot comb. When you use a hot comb or if you use a flat iron, the high heat can actually damage your fibers in your hair. What I like about this Latisha wig is that it has like a kinky straight blowout hair texture. So if you want to keep the blowout, don't comb it away, don't press it away, blow dry it out. Y'all can already see the difference. Stop playing. Stop playing. Y'all see the difference? I know you see the difference. I see the difference. My second tip that I want to use is, yes, you can use a paddle brush. A paddle brush is a great wig brush if you would just need some to comb out your wig. But I really recommend either investing in the unbrush or the unbrushed dupe. I think what's good about this is that the detangling method is just less friction. I feel like in a paddle brush, whatever that cloth bed that the beads and the bristles rest into can sometimes cause more snags and friction, and now you have more tangled mess. But you know, with this unbrushed dupe here, I can just comb right through and really get that detangle method that I'm looking for. Another tip, always focus on the ends. I feel like with synthetic wigs, like it's really the ends that you have to give a lot of love to. So what I like to do is use a wig spray on my ends. This helps to tangle and add a little bit of moisture to synthetic fibers. My favorite detangler is actually by New York. It's their 5-second detangler. It says it's for natural hair, but who said this ain't natural? But it really works well at keeping moisture on the ends. So what I like to do every morning when I like wearing a wig, I always just take a moment to just spray down the ends. Then I'm gonna go back in with my unbrush. I'm just gonna comb it out. You see how it gives a little curl up at the ends. It's already a vibe. It's already a vibe. Woo woo. And I don't always just use this spray on the ends. You can use it all over the synthetic hair. I've used it with my curly wigs too, to kind of like give it not such a dry curly look. Like it kind of emulates like, you know, more natural hair with that. You see what I'm saying? It already looks better. Now my next tip is gonna be for if you wanna have like a little more of a lace melt. So I'm actually gonna show y'all, this is why this like Latisha wig is one of my favorite wigs. I'm wearing this wig glueless. Like you really don't need to do too much. Like y'all can see this is a glueless wig and it lays like scalp. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's a crazy good wig. If I really want to just go the extra mile and really make sure that if I go out in the sun and the natural light changes, you know, I use this lace melt spray, also by New York. So the way that I like to apply this lace melting spray, you can either use a rat tail comb. In fact, that's really what I recommend using, but I lost my comb. So I'm going to be using the tip of a makeup brush. And what I found works really well with this application so that it doesn't spray all over your hair and creates a sticky, awful mess is that you spray onto the tip of the comb or the tip of the brush, wherever the handle is, and then just go in on the hairline and pat that down. Now just do a little bit each time. Spray a little bit. And then I'm gonna go around that hairline and then just tap that lace melting spray into place. All right, y'all, so this is the finished result of applying that lace melt. Y'all can't lie, it's melted. Yeah, this is crazy. This is scalp. Y'all can't tell me, like, honestly, y'all see that? Y'all, come on now. This is literally my scalp. And yeah, and this is pretty much what I do when I'm wearing my synthetic wigs, how I maintenance them in the morning, how I just refreshen them. You know, one thing I will say, human hair or synthetic hair, whichever way you go, when it comes to wigs, these hairstyles are high maintenance. You know, they can be made to be done easy. You don't have to have a cosmetology license to know how to, you know, style a wig, but it does take daily maintenance and care. And honestly, I feel like that's a good thing. I feel like we should want to get up every morning and freshen our look. You know, hair is made to be, you know, styled. Like, you gotta put a little effort into the look if you want to see the results. And as you can see, hard work does indeed pay off. All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video today. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know if you found this helpful. If there's any other tips that you want to see going forward, any other wigs y'all want me to review, whatever type of content you want to see. Just thank you for supporting me and this Makara Danielle YouTube channel from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.
High volume. Am I really that much?